All right, everybody, hello. Here is your homework help for this assignment 3.3 ratio tables. So on this first slide, what you see are 4 different tables, and each of them is comparing minutes to laps. So what you're going to want to do here, the first step of working with these ratio tables, I'm going to say is always calculate your unit rate. So calculate unit rate. So for table 1, I'm going to go ahead and work over here. So I'll say table 1. Our unit rate, we're looking for laps, laps per minute, which means it's going to look like laps per minute. All right, I'm just going to use the very first piece of information in the table to calculate my unit rate. So in that first table, table 1, we're going 7 laps per 2 minutes. And then I'm going to calculate my unit rate. So I divide both by 2. And I know that I can go 3.5 laps in 1 minute. Okay, that's my unit rate. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm being asked to figure out which one of these purple things fits in with my table. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna look for, so second step, look for ratios. I'll say the purple ones. Not ratio, ratios in purple with the same unit rate. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing some calculating. This first one would be 84 laps in 24 minutes. So if I divide both top and bottom by 24, 84 divided by 24 is 3.5 laps in 1 minute, okay? So we know that one doesn't fit because again, it does fit, right? We're looking for 3.5 laps per 1 minute. So I would drag this one and put it right there. So 24 minutes per 84 laps fits. Let's try the 18 to 24. So 24, I'll go like this. 24 laps in 18 minutes. My unit rate there. So 24 divided by 18 is 1.3 repeating. That line above the 3 means repeating per 1 minute. So that doesn't fit, but I'm gonna hold on to that. I'm gonna hold on and remember that unit rate because that means it'll fit somewhere else. And then I'm just gonna go through all of these and calculate the unit rates. So I'm gonna do that for all of them, all the ones in purple. So I would say for the next one, 21 laps in 14 minutes. 21 divided by 14 is 1.5 laps per 1 minute. Okay. That one doesn't fit. That's a different unit rate. We could say 90 laps per 60 minutes. 90 divided by 60 is 1.5 laps per 1 minute. So there we have another one. I'll do 15 laps per 6 minutes. Whoops, I shouldn't have squared that yet. So 15 divided by 6 is 2.5. 2.5 laps per 1 minute. So again, that one doesn't fit. But you can see we're gonna start finding, once you have all of these unit rates, you'll be able to find it pretty easily. I'll do one more, just until we find the other one that matches this. I have room right down here, so I'm kind of running out of space here. 28 divided by 8, laps in minutes. 28 divided by 8, there's a 3.5. That's 3.5. So we could say that this 28 divided by 8 right here, that will fit there too. So 28, oh, I'm sorry, that 8 goes first. So 28 fits in there too. It has that same unit rate. So I know this is starting to look a little bit messy, but if you just follow those rules, calculate your unit rate for each table, and then look for the ratios in purple with the same unit rate, those fit in your ratio tables.